Welcome to Review Rumble. The best light bar wire is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components when setting up auxiliary lighting for your vehicle, ensuring that your powerful LED light bars receive a stable and efficient power supply to perform at their peak potential. And while many might think of the light bar itself as the star of the show, the quality of the wiring harness can make or break the entire system's reliability and longevity, so understanding its importance is key to a successful installation and a brighter, safer off-road or work experience. Number 5. Nilight NIWA02A LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. Introducing the Nilight NIWA02A LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. This kit is designed for your 12V off-road and work lights. It comes with a convenient on-off switch, power relay, and blade fuse for reliable operation. The upgraded rocker switch is built to last, having passed rigorous testing of 5,000 presses. It provides an easy and reliable way to control your lights. Experience exceptional performance with our superior quality wires. They offer excellent electrical conductivity, outstanding bending flexibility, and resistance to high temperatures and melting. Ensure safety and stability with built-in circuit protection. The power relay handles circuit conversion, while the blade fuse safeguards against overcurrent and short circuits. This harness features 2 sets of connectors, allowing you to power up to 2 LED light bars simultaneously, each up to 180 W. Your package includes 1 LED light bar wiring harness kit and a clear instruction diagram for easy installation. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year warranty. What we like. This wiring harness features an exceptionally durable rocker switch, tested for thousands of uses. Its superior quality wires ensure excellent conductivity and resistance to heat. If you need a reliable setup for 2 LED light bars under 180 W each, this is a solid choice for off-road adventures. What people say. The wiring harness is well made and includes all the necessary components for a clean installation. It features a durable relay and fuse, ensuring reliable power delivery and protection for the light bar. The connectors are robust and provide a secure fit, preventing any issues with loose connections. Number 4. Nilight LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. This wiring harness kit offers a universal fit for most 12V vehicles. It's perfect for motorcycles, ATVs, trucks, and more, easily mounting to a 7/8-inch handlebar. Your safety is our priority. It features a power relay for reliable circuit protection and a blade fuse to safeguard against overcurrent or short circuits. Connect up to 2 lighting fixtures with less than 180 W each. Its 2 leads ensure a stable and secure connection for your dual lighting setup. This versatile switch is ideal for controlling a wide range of lights. Use it for headlights, fog lights, off-road lights, and any other auxiliary driving or work lights. The package comes complete with the wiring harness kit, multiple blade fuses for convenience, connectors, and a clear wiring diagram to guide your installation. What we like. Designed with a universal 7/8-inch handlebar switch, this kit is perfect for motorcycles, ATVs, and scooters. It supports dual lighting fixtures up to 180 W, offering stable connections. If you're looking to add auxiliary lights to your bike or ATV and want a convenient handlebar control, this is the one for you. What people say. Lots of extra wire length that you won't need for a motorcycle, but it's better to have too much than not enough. All the wires are nicely sleeved, so I'm not worried they will chafe. With enough length to all the wires to have it connect to the battery, rear lights, and the headlight and bar without issue. Easy to install, all-in-one and very durable. Number 3. GS Power CCA 16-Gauge Automotive Wire. Introducing the GS Power 16-Gauge Automotive Wire, your go-to solution for all your vehicle's electrical needs. This bonded red and black wire comes conveniently on a 100-foot spool, ready for any project. Crafted with stranded copper-clad aluminum and insulated in flexible PVC, it's designed to withstand temperatures up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit. Its flexibility makes installation a breeze. Experience the benefits of CCA wire. It's lighter, more flexible, and cost-effective compared to pure copper. This makes it an excellent choice for 12-volt applications. Ideal for a wide range of low-voltage automotive applications, from car stereos and trailer harnesses to LED lighting and DIY projects. Please note, it is designed for 6 to 80 volts only. This versatile wire is perfect for automotive electrical wiring, RC toys, battery connections, lamps, and various electrical appliances. It's also great for motor cables and robotics. Whether you're working on your car audio, home theater, or any other low-voltage DIY project, this wire provides the reliability and performance you need. What we like. This product offers 100 feet of bonded red and black 16 AWG wire, made from copper-clad aluminum for flexibility and lower cost. It's ideal for 12V DIY projects like car stereos, trailer hookups, and LED lighting. If you're a DIY enthusiast working on a custom 12V setup and need a good length of versatile wire, this is a great option. What people say. The wiring harness is well made with good quality connectors. It comes with a fuse and relay, which are essential for protecting the light bar. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making installation straightforward. Number 2. Nilight 10012W LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. Introducing the Nilight 10012W LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. This kit is designed to efficiently power your dual light fixtures, supporting up to 180W. It features a built-in power relay and an inline blade fuse. These act as the first line of defense, protecting your system from overcurrent and short circuits. Never struggle to find your switch again. The integrated premium LEDs emit a soft glow, illuminating the patterns for easy operation, even in complete darkness. This wiring harness is widely applicable. It's perfect for almost all 12V battery vehicles, including Jeeps, ATVs, UTVs, cars, motorcycles, and even boats and trailers. The package includes everything you need: a wiring harness, a 5-pin LED rocker switch, and clear instructions. Installation is straightforward, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. What we like. This harness boasts a 5-pin waterproof rocker switch with built-in LEDs, making it easy to find in the dark. It supports dual light fixtures up to 180W and is suitable for a wide range of 12V vehicles. If you need a reliable and user-friendly wiring solution for your boat, Jeep, or ATV, especially in wet conditions, this is an excellent pick. What people say. For lead harness had more than enough wire for my application. Wires come wrapped in a moisture-resistant covering, and is on its own fused circuit. The switch is easy to wire and has its own inline fuse. It is easy to read and see the switch at night as it glows. This is the only way to go when it comes to getting a light bar or fog light set installed on a vehicle. Just plug the light or lights in the dual male and female spade connector and attach the positive and negative to the battery. Number 1. Nilight 10019W LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. This wiring harness is designed for universal compatibility. It works seamlessly with all automobiles, boats, and other devices that utilize a 12V DC power source. Enjoy peace of mind with its efficient protection features. The power relay ensures safety and circuit conversion, while the blade fuse guards against overcurrent and short circuits. Never fumble for a switch again. It features a built-in rocker switch with 2 premium LEDs that emit a soft light, making it easy to locate even in complete darkness. Experience outstanding performance and durability. Crafted with premium materials, it offers excellent electrical conductivity, bending performance, and resistance to high temperatures for a longer lifespan. This comprehensive package includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive the wiring harness kit, a 5-pin LED rocker switch, and easy-to-follow instructions. We stand by the quality of our product. It's built with high temperature and melting resistance, ensuring a longer lifespan and reliable performance for your needs. What we like. Featuring heavy-duty 12 AWG wire, this kit ensures excellent conductivity and durability for demanding applications. The 5-pin rocker switch is waterproof and illuminated for ease of use. If you're running a single, high-power LED light bar on your vehicle, boat, or any 12V DC system and need a robust and reliable connection, this is the harness you should consider. What people say. The light bar wire is a great addition to my off-road vehicle, providing excellent illumination for nighttime driving. I was impressed by the durability of the wire. It held up well against harsh weather conditions and rough terrain. The installation was straightforward, and the included connectors made the wiring process simple and efficient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.